what's up? It's your girl Ria, and today I'm going to be educating you guys on how to successfully stop producing breast milk. So I just want to make sure you guys know that I'm not a healthcare professional or a lactation consultant. I'm just a mother who was in the same position as you, looking up on YouTube how to successfully do this. Now that I got the information, I want to pass it on to you guys. So I hope it helps. Let me know if it does. Let me know your experience. And with that being said, let's just get on to the video. What you're going to be using is, obviously, you need a supportive bra. You're going to be using cabbage leaves. You're going to be using frozen ice packs. And you're going to be drinking this no-flow tea. Okay, they said that there's no magic potion out there that's going to help you stop producing. Well, they lied, because this is actually it. Go ahead and order you this on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description so that you guys can. But I actually still have a lot more in here because once I started drinking this, my milk just was gone. So order these. It will help you very, very much. This is exactly what I did. This was my routine for a whole week that I stopped producing milk. I know a lot of women are different. Hopefully that this routine, if you try it, works for you guys. So basically, I was engorged for the first day. And this is the only time that you want to pump, is when you're engorged. I pumped, but I didn't pump for like 2 minutes on one breast, 2 minutes on the other, every 6 hours. That's not what I did. What I did was I pumped until I was no longer engorged. So I wasn't empty, but I just wasn't engorged. I wasn't in pain. It wasn't hard anymore. So that's the only time you want to pump, is when you're engorged, because engorgement can lead to infection, mastitis. It can lead to pain. So only pump when you're engorged. And that's what I did. I pumped until I was no longer engorged, but I wasn't completely empty, okay? Because when you are empty and when you're pumping, your body, your hormones is telling your body to produce more milk, especially in the beginning. So you want to make sure that's the only time you're pumping. I didn't need to pump every 6 hours and then 5 hours the next day, 4 hours the next, 3 hours the next. It was literally just like, I think it was twice the whole entire week. So you don't need to keep pumping throughout the whole time. But what you're going to do, wear your supportive bra. You're going to start with the cabbage leaves. Now, you're going to cut the cabbage leaves in half, and you're going to take one of these face rollers. You're going to take one of these. Once the cabbage is already washed, cleaned, and dried, the veins on the cabbage, you're going to take the face roller and you're going to break the vein, okay? I noticed the difference from doing that and not doing that. When I didn't do it, I didn't really notice anything happening with my breast milk. But when I did break the veins, it's like the juices of the cabbage or something was like activated, and that's what helped my breast milk decrease or empty out. So break those veins, okay? It's gonna help you. You're gonna leave the cabbage on for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, or until it's warm. Once it's warm, you're gonna switch it out for the ice packs. But you're only gonna leave the ice packs on for about 15 to maybe 30 minutes, because you don't want to freeze your skin, like get frostbite on your breast. I actually experienced that a little bit, but when I noticed it, I just stopped. My breasts are fine now, but I did notice a little discoloration. So you only want to keep it on like 15-25 minutes, and then after that, you're gonna switch back to the cabbage leaves. Wash it, clean it, dry it, break the veins, leave it on for an hour and a half to 2 hours, switch it out, and then put the frozen ice packs back on. Do you see where I'm going with this though? So frozen ice packs, back to the cabbage leaves, and then do the ice packs again, and back to the cabbage leaves, do the ice pack again, back to the cabbage leaves, and you're gonna keep doing this throughout the entire day. Thank you, Soraya. In the meanwhile, you're gonna be drinking your no-flow tea, okay? So 1 tea bag makes 2 cups, but I actually just I put it in one 24-ounce bottle because I noticed that the second cup was always tasting a little bit bitter. So I just put it in a 24-ounce bottle, okay? But go ahead and drink this throughout the day while you're doing that routine. Cabbage and then ice pack, cabbage and then ice pack. Okay, so now for some tips. Again, for the cabbage, I actually cut the cabbage in half and I ripped off multiple leaves and I left it in a little bin so that I can just go ahead and grab it. I don't need to keep ripping off while I was transitioning from the ice pack. So I just put it in a little like Tupperware, left it in the fridge. Make sure that it's cold because the cold helps with swelling, it helps with pain. Another tip, hot showers. They also help with producing. In the beginning, I showered with cold water, and then I noticed that my breast milk was gone or almost gone. I went back to hot showers, but at the end of the shower, I showered back with cold water, but I just had the water hitting my breast, the cold water hitting my breast for about like 5 minutes. Just rub it on there, you know. And then also after the shower, I rubbed my breast with olive oil so that my breasts don't get saggy. And olive oil will actually help make sure that it don't get saggy. So that's another tip. You can use olive oil for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I did that for the whole week. I was completely good after a week. I thought I would take longer because I breastfed for a year. But yeah, it didn't take quite long actually. Yeah, I don't experience any more like leaking or like random leaking or anything. So I'm completely emptied out. So I hope that this information helped you guys. I hope that you guys will try it and it works. Let me know in the comments if it does. Go ahead, ask me questions, whatever you guys need to know. Hopefully I can answer your questions. But I hope I helped you guys out a lot. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.